Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS Lab. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this slide, I'm going to explain about the types of layers. So, in manufacturing companies, there are different types of layers they are maintaining. So we'll see the main functional layouts in the production processes. So manufacturing layouts, the office layouts, and retail store layouts, warehouse layout, fixed position layouts. So these are the general types in the manufacturing companies they'll maintain in the layouts. So apart from that, there all any other manufacturing processes which generally they follow the types of layouts are product or line layouts, process or functional layouts, fixed position or location layouts, and combined group layouts. You see one by one. So this production process layout, line layout will comes in the category. In an industrial setup, sometimes the machines and equipments are arranged in one line depending upon the sequence of the operations required for the product. The raw material and the semi-finished materials move from one workstation to the another sequentially without any backtracking of the deviations. Under these machines are upgrouped and it is grouped in one sequence. Therefore, the materials are fit into a first machines and finished groups and travel automatically from machine to machine. The output of the one machine becoming the input of the next. So that is, for example, the paper mill, the field are to be done by one. The paper comes out at the end of the another machine. The raw material moves very fast from the one workstations to the another stations with the minimum work in the process storage and the material handling. The grouping of the machines is done in the following general principles. Like all the materials, tools, and the other items of the equipment must be placed at the point of demanded by the sequence of the operations. There should not no one point where one line crossed another line. So materials may be a field where they are required for the assembly, but not the necessarily at the one point. All the operations, including the assembly testing packages, must be included in the line. So we'll have both like advantages and disadvantages. This is the process functional layouts. In this type of layout, machines of the similar types are arranged together at one place. For example, machines performing drilling operations are arranged in a drilling department, machines performing costing operations of the group into the costing departments. Hence, such layouts typically have the drilling department, milling departments, welding departments, heating departments, and painting departments. So these are all arranged sequentially according to their processes and their convenience. Let us see about the other fixed position or location layouts. So fixed position or the location layouts of the machines are to be produced which remains the stationary of the movement of the men and the machines inadvanceable as the cost of the moving them would be a lesser. This type of layouts is performed where the size of the jobs are to be bulk, heavy. For example, such type of layouts of the ships and other aircraft manufacturing, etc., will be followed. So combined are the group layouts. So certain manufacturing units may require all these processes, namely the intermediate processes like job shops and continuous processes, mass productions, and representative processes, combined processes. Like generally, the combination of the all the production and processes layout, the other combinations are formed. In a practice, for industries involving the fabrications of the part of the assembly, fabrication strengths to the employee, the processes layouts, while the assembling area of an employee, the product layouts. In shop manufacturing plant, the machinery manufacturing shops is arranged on the product line principles. When we follow all this combination, so it's known as a combined and the combination of the layouts. So these are the different types of the like product process fixed, like we have the hybrid, so which may we use any one of this or we use both the things, so then it will be called as a hybrid. This is a general explanation about the types of layouts. Thank you.